Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually kind of doing two jobs at once at the minute. Essentially, I'm doing the skimming, tape and jointing, which is going great, but I've got this big bit of MDF which is kind of getting in my way a bit. I want to cut it down, I want to sort it out the way. This is going to be for the door section here. So as you can see, it's oversized at the minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to start this section entirely, but what I'll do is start the process, which is cut it down so I can get it upright out the way while I finish off taping and jointing the top really. So just going to move it in, get it circular sawed down. Now this door is kind of going to have a bit of a slant at the top, but I'm going to do that bit in sections essentially because there'll be a little bar at the top, but you'll see it as we go through. So what I'm doing is I'm measuring up this door frame now for the cupboard. What I've used is a tape measure and a spirit level, and essentially I want the door to be completely flush with this back wall here. Once again, apologies about the lighting, best I can do at the minute because the nights are drawing in. But so what I've done is I've got the spirit level and I basically placed it so it's flat against this wall and then drawed it all the way across. Then what I've done is I've drawn two lines and then I've leveled up, and that's where you can see this first line here. So that first line is directly flush with this wall. Now I've then measured the width of the MDF board. That is going to be the door, which is 12 mil, and then I've put a 12 mil marking, which is the next line, and that 12 mil marking is where I want to put this timber, and then that means once the door fits in flush up to that timber, then it's going to be completely in line with this wall. So now that I've done it, I can get my timber, put that in place with the second line, and then that will be our final fixing point in order to get the door flush with the wall. So I'll get that mounted in now. What I've done is it's going to be in two sections because obviously the roof is at a slope. So if I did it in one whole section, as you open it, it wouldn't fully open because it will end up just butting up to the ceiling. So we're going to have a separate section, a header bit piece for the top, and then we'll have the door, which will be straight line. So I've started cutting out, well, I started measuring up, and what I've done, grabbed my tape measure and I've measured from the bottom of where I want the frame to sit, and then the top, and obviously because it's on a slope there is a 1.5 centimeter difference from this side to that side. So I've measured the top there and the top there, and then I've put my markings on here, this piece even. So I'm just going to cut this down and then I'm going to rip a line across there. I'm going to need a straight line to hold the circular saw against, so I get a nice clean line, because obviously this is going to be very visible. The top piece is not so much because if it is going to get covered over anyway, but the actual door itself is going to have to be clean because I need it to butt up nicely with this side and this side. So circular saw's all strapped up, so I'll get my safety goggles on and my ear muffs because my ears have been playing up. So I'll get that in and then we'll just get it ripped up and put in place. Right, so this is the door installed. As you'll be able to see, there is the top section and then there is also the door section. Now there's a slight gap here, and this is purposeful because this door is actually going to get hidden with some cladding, which is actually going to look like this. So hence why it's not the tidiest, and then there's a gap at the top because I'm currently feeding cables through from this TV. This TV is going to be going, there's actually going to be a projector that comes down, projector screen, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, but yeah, the door is now installed. It's nice and flush with the main wall, and this goes all the way down underneath the desk area. So nice quick video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.